Now, first thing first, I am shooketh, honey. Shooketh, okay? When I tell you this tape is amazing. Now, don't get me wrong. Y'all know I'm upfront. I'm blunt and honest. That you can transform it to do whatever you need it to do as far as your tops. This is something that Kim Kardashian and a lot of these Hollywood celebrities use. Now, they do give you a description, which I love. They also place like a link to a video so that you can see how to place it on and how to take it off, the do's, the don'ts. Now, if you guys aren't familiar with my videos, I've also reviewed another product from this particular company. I reviewed their reusable pads. So if you have not checked that video out, go ahead and check that out. But once again, it's a sister company. You know, and they sell products that are, you know, financially feasible for women, pretty much. That's all we're going to get into there. I will show you guys some pictures of that. It comes in three, I believe it's 3mm and 4mm. I ordered the 4mm personally before they even sent me the product. Is the roll. It comes with 2 rolls, and as you can just see, the name of the company, Hi-O, and it's pretty thick. It's pretty thick. I say that you can get pretty good use out of it. Like I said, I got the 4mm, so that's the width when it goes across the boob. Yes, so I really like it. I had to play around with it a lot, but baby, when I tell you it's an instant lift, honey, instant lift, has the girl sitting. I feel secure. I feel secure, which is the most important, especially when you have bigger breasts. I am a 38, not a 40. I am a 38D. And so, like, you know, my boobs, I breastfed 5 children, so they, you know, they need some lifting, honey. I'm not gonna even pretend. They look great in bra, but outside. Anyway, as you guys can see, this is what I'm giving without the tape, okay? This is what she's giving. This is sad. This is sad. This is mommy makeover needed. Check. This is what she's giving with the boob tape. Honey, had kids, breastfed. Where, honey? Now, I am going to, as you guys can probably tell, have to cut, obviously, more of the tape. But this is... Maybe if I just sit it over and do some double-sided tape, actually, I won't have to cut anything. So that's probably what I'm going to do. But, baby, let me tell you, better work. You better go purchase this product. And I'm not even going to lie to you, baby, because I believe. So this is the tape. As y'all can see, sis don't have on a bra at first. It's just secured. They send you these nipple covers, so obviously you don't snatch your nipple off, because baby, this tape is secure. This tape, you're gonna need to use a product like coconut oil or something like that to get it off. But baby, she is feeling herself, baby. Yes, y'all can't. I am so going to get that mommy makeover, because baby, if this how she gonna be sitting, honey. Sad mommy boob. Sad mommy boob. No, bad girl. Yes, youthful 30. Yes. Hunty child. If y'all don't go ahead and get this product, baby, because I will be purchasing it. I surely will. I'm not gonna lie to you. Look, can y'all see me from? Look. I need my tripod. I swear I do. But, you know, I just wanted to do this review real quick. And baby, I'm gonna tell you, I'm in love. You can use this tape and you can do it to fit whatever style top you have. Like, you can do a halter style or whatever you have to do. You like, not halter. You can do halter. You can do strapless. It's all type of ways you can tape it, and you can customize it just by cutting the tape. And baby, I'm gonna tell you like this. I sure am gonna be purchasing. Look, let me hold this one, but I can't do it. Let me see. So y'all can see major difference here. Look at this. Look how secure. It's not moving out of place. She is secure. Work. Secure. Look at this one. We're not doing that. We're not doing that at all. This is how she should be sitting. This is how I may even push it. I may even get it, you know, tape it to where I'm pushing it over, because I kind of taped it and pulled it away. But you can tape it and push it over. Like, I could put some tape and push. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really impressed. She's really impressed. Hard to impress me. Very hard. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. 100%. I would give it a 5-star. It is very, very sturdy. I can tell. Like I said, I've tried to practice with it a few times before I wanted to even try to review it. Very sturdy, very comfortable. I don't feel any itchiness. I don't feel any redness. I'm going to try to leave it on for 2 hours just to see how it does my skin, but I'm not really overly sensitive, so it should be fine for me. It says it's waterproof. Yes, I am very, very, very impressed. Very impressed.